What is up, YouTube? I'll make a quick video today on how to take those beat up old spoons and turn them into something that looks like this, nice and shiny. The only thing you're going to need would be a new hook, a new ring, and a new swivel. And obviously you would need like a beat up spoon. This one's been redone because I recorded the video originally in the wrong format. So now I'm remaking this part of the video. Obviously I couldn't go back and make the spoon rusty again. But this is what the end result's going to be. Came out looking great, and I'll show you how to do it. Super simple. All right, so what I got here, I got a little Johnson Sprite spoon. As you can see, the hooks are completely rusted up. The ring's completely rusted up. So I just happened to have a nice little red treble hook, a new ring, and I'm going to add a swivel to it and see how it's going to turn out. So first thing to do, we're going to have to get rid of these treble hooks and get rid of this ring and start working on it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this ring. I'm just going to use these clips because I'm not reusing this. Use these wire cutters and hopefully be able to cut it. Next thing I want to do, I'm going to try to polish this up with a Dremel tool. I'm going to be using this brass head, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's the spoon. As you can see, it's pretty much shot. I'm going to try to hit it with a Dremel tool using this little brass wheel and see how it goes. Make sure you got your glasses on. Alright, that was a little trial and error. I ended up going with the sandpaper bit, and now I'm just going to put all the new pieces on and it'll all be done. So if I can get this on. These are always so hard to get on. And I'll show you a little trick on how to get them on. If you do them at the same time, it makes it a whole lot easier. Just twist it. That looks so much better already. I'm gonna also add this swivel head. Boom. Just a simple little swivel. So it will spin if I want it to. And that's it. All done. Johnson Sprite spoon, polished up both sides. Just took a couple minutes once I figured out what bit to use. Got a new hook, looks better than it did originally, and it's ready. Hope it helps while you're fishing, and good luck.